Hello, how are you? I hope you are fine. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell. We use this tense for things which are true in general. My father works in a bank. How often something happens. David plays tennis twice a week. The laws of science and nature. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. We use do and does to form questions and negative forms of this tense. Does your brother go to primary school? I don't work on Sundays.